Hello, in front of me I've got glorious Model D. In this video I'll show you device preview. Glorious Model D is wired, super lightweight mouse. It has sensor type PixArt PMW3360, DPI range between 400 and 12,000, tracking speed 250 plus IPS, and acceleration 50 G. The pulling rate is between 125 and 1000 Hz. It weighs between 68-69 grams. Shape is ergonomic, right hand with medium hump. It has shell design with honeycomb and RGB side stripes. The mouse has 6 buttons, DPI indicator, 4 sliders. Switch type and durability is Omron 20 million clicks. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.